Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna share one of my favorite homemade chicken recipes. I love making this because it's fast, full of flavor, and everyone in my family enjoys it. If you love easy recipes, you're going to love this. Let's get started. We're gonna use one chicken fillets, cut into cubes. Add one garlic clove, one egg, salt, pepper, paprika, mayonnaise, and flour. Mix everything well. Heat a little oil in a frying pan and spoon the chicken mixture into the pan. Fry until golden, then flip and cook the other side. Serve with rice, pasta, or your favorite side and enjoy!